By this point, we were partying every single day for 21 days straight. 21 days straight, bro. Right? Going hard. Then, that night, it changed everything.
Meech was like, call everybody, tell them we're going out. Everybody's on the chirp. So we were in Club Chaos this particular night, and one of Meech's friends, Wolf, was there. So Wolf and Meech knew each other because he was Puffy's ex-bodyguard. And Puffy and Meech were close. So we're in Club Chaos. They greet each other with love, as always. Wolf sees his ex-girlfriend. But she's not with Meech, you know, she's standing on the back wall. Wolf reaches past Meech and mushes her. And Meech was like, nah, that's not going down. Whatever y'all got going on, you can handle that privately with her. But if she's standing here with me, I can't have you disrespect her like that.
That led to verbal altercation, a physical altercation, which led to Wolf Jones ejected from the club.
So now, the whole vibe in the club totally changed. Meech is not feeling the energy in here. He's like, let's go.
Demetrius and his bodyguard, Bull Height, were on their way to their vehicle when they encountered Wolf Jones and Riz Gertie waiting for them with guns drawn. Wolf Jones started shooting.
All hell broke loose. Gunfire was coming from everywhere. They all piled in the car. I hopped in my car.
At this point, I didn't even realize that happened. I'm sitting at the diner, and I'm looking at the television, and I'm waiting for my food. The sound's not on. I see lights, I see the cops, and I see what I recognize to be Buckhead. What the hell's going on in Buckhead? So I said, turn it up.
Wild shootout that shattered windows of bars and restaurants and left 2 men dead in the Buckhead Bar District.
2 bodies in Buckhead, Atlanta. I was like, whoa, somebody really fucked up. Like, this is crazy. I said, I'm so glad that my family's not out. I had no idea that anybody went anywhere.
Police aren't sure what triggered the violence, but witnesses say dozens of bullets flew near the intersection of East Paces Ferry and Bowling Way.
We all meet up at the house, and it's still not a big deal. You know, Meech is actually leaning on the counter laughing because we're drunk as hell. He's like, man, Yogi, my ass is burning. I'm like, what? He's like, man, I think I got shot in the ass. And sure enough, he got shot in the ass.